Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Yes, we are taking throat letters to learn our makharij. So, in last recording, we discussed about the throat letters, and there are three parts of a throat. There is a lower throat, middle throat, and upper throat. From lower throat, we pronounce Hamza and Ha, which we discussed before and we practiced it, Alhamdulillah. And from middle throat, we pronounce Ain and Ha. So we are taking today Ain and Ha, middle throat. So we practice them with Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra. It will be A, and then I, and then U. And then long vowels, A, 2 counts long, U, and then I, I. And with Sakoon, it will be A, A. Sorry, it is. And this is, sorry, this is Sukoon. Okay. A. How to say? A, I, U. A, U, I, A. You can say with me, okay? A, short, I, short, U. A, U, I, A. Again. A, I, U. From your throat, middle throat. You should feel like if you put your hand on the throat, you should feel the vibration over there. A, U, I, A. A lot of people pronounce Ain from their mouth, and that is not acceptable. So it's not A, E, U. It's not A. It's A, A. You actually feel vibration in your throat. If you put your throat, your hand should feel the vibration. A, I, U, A, U, I, A. Okay. The second letter which use the same makhraj, which share the same makhraj, and that is a middle of throat, is Ha. 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 And the easy way to pronounce it is to just remember what you do when you try to clean any mirror or your sunglasses or your something. You say yeah, the same sound is there. Ha, he, who, ha, he, sorry, who, this is Sakun. He, and the sound should with Sakun will be ah, ah. Again, ha, he, who, ha, حو حي أح. Again. ح حي حو ح حو حي أح. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك، نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت، نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.